What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today I have the Refoss Garage Smart Wi-Fi Garage Door Opener. I have this because I did a little video where my little button was stop working on me and my wife. So I replaced the batteries and it closes like you got to hit it like 20 times for it to close. I'm done. So I was looking online and I didn't even know these even was a thing. So I know on the new garage door openers, it's actually smart. It could connect to your phone. I'm not going to buy a new garage door opener. So I'm going to try this. Well, I'm not going to buy a new garage door opener right now. All right. That is not in my plans to buy that right now. So I saw this. They have cheaper ones and they have more expensive ones. So I just said, let me go in the mid range right now. Let me just try to test this thing out. So this Refoss is Amazon Alexa and it works with the Google Assistant. All right. Now on the back, we have tech specs. All right. The sensor wire, 23 feet long. Wireless standards for the geeks. Okay, so your smartphone has to be at a iOS 13 or higher or Android 4.1 or higher. So you should be updating your software. All right, let's open the box. All right, we have this, 2, 3 boxes, and instruction. I want to read and study this before I actually install this for y'all. Just try to do an unboxing on this. The power adapter, the block. So this must be the sensor cord because the sensor cord is 26 foot. So this is like 26 foot of wire. Oh wow, this is small. So it do look like I got a wire or something. So yes, I will be reading and double reading a lot. All right, so this is our power source. All right, this is our power source right here. So this is the 5-foot cable they was talking about. Sensor look like it connects to here. And then you put the sensor where you need it to go. And then we have to hook it up to somewhere in our garage door opener. So other than that, right here you have a little Wi-Fi button. So I guess that's how you link up to your phone. All right. So other than that, that's the unboxing. And stay tuned.